Hey guys, it's Marty Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the DotStone music activated LED strip lights that were sent to me so I can try them out and make a video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing in this video. Now keep in mind, what really caught my eye when I was approached to make a video for these is that they actually sync with music. So I knew about these lights before, but I never did know that you can actually sync them with your music and you don't need an application for that because it actually comes with a remote control. Over here in the back, these are the specs, so you can go ahead and pause the video if you want. It is a 2-meter strip, which is around 6.6 feet long. Of course, it has a LED strip, remote controller, and a user manual. And basically that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this right now so you guys can see what's in the box. I already did test them. I posted a video already on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you already saw the video with music. Here are the lights. Of course, like I said, this is 2-meter longs. They also have a lot longer. If you need, like for example, 5 meters, they also have a 5-meter one, and I think they also have like one bigger than that one as well. So right here you got 2 meters of strip light, which is equivalent to 120 LED lights. Over here you got the remote control you can use. There you go. So you got the on and off, high and low brightness, all the colors you could change to, and the modes. And here is the music mode button right there. This is of course what you're gonna use to power up these lights. So with these lights, what's cool is that you can plug it on any device that has a USB port with power, of course, and power them up. That's all you need. Once you do that, you can actually control the lights from here as well. This is a mode button, and that's it. There's no on and off button, just a mode button right there, which you can change to. And this of course is the microphone that actually listens to the music. And these are the connection you're going to use for the strips. Depending on which kind of strip you have are the connection you're going to use. So these right here uses this connection right there. So here of course you have 4 of these that you can use to stick them to any surface that you want, 3M sticker. And of course through these, they're like little clamps that you can use to hook them up to like behind a TV or something like that if you want to do it like that. But they also, these right here, they also stick from the back as well. They have some adhesive here in the back as well. So this right here is around 3 foot long, just in case you want to know. When you count this right here, and you know the rest of the cable is around 3 foot long. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook this up to the power. Okay, so I already hooked this up to the power. Now let's go ahead so we can show you guys here how this works. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this right here. Okay, let's go and make sure that is connected correctly right there. And that's it, that connects right there. And keep in mind, right here you can actually cut if you need to make this shorter. You can cut these strips right there on these spots right here. Every 2 LEDs you can actually cut it with a scissor right there. So this right here, you would cut it, then you would actually use whatever you have left on this side. Just going to lower down the lights here a little bit. There you go. And with the remote control, if you want to change the color, there you go. You got green, you got blue, you got white, you got these colors right here. You got like pink, purple, orange, and over here you got up the brightness. If I put it on red, you can up the brightness right there, and this will lower the brightness right there. Here it has different modes. So if you put it in this mode right here, which is the first one, it changes colors. And this one right here, I think this one goes a little bit slower. I think this one starts flashing, I think it is. There you go, that one starts flashing. Looks pretty cool. Over here you got the speed. So if you're using like depending on what mode you have it, you have 2 buttons over here that control actually the speed of it. And over here, it actually goes into music mode. So what it's doing is this right here is actually listening. This right here is actually listening to whatever sound, and the lights are gonna start blinking depending on the song. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and play something YouTube friendly because I don't want to get hit by copyright. There we go. That is so cool. So of course, if you pause it, they're gonna go blank, right? And over here, you can also, if you don't want to use the remote control right here, you can also press right here, like see there, and it starts changing modes as well. Right there is the mode. You can also from here go to the music mode as well. Right there is in music mode. So that's really cool. Sounds really cool. So that's really damn cool. Let's go and turn this, put it steady right there. So of course, these right now, they go for around $17.50, I think it is. The more bigger one goes for around $25 or $26. They do look really damn good. They do look really damn bright. That's one thing that I actually was impressed. I didn't think it was gonna look that bright, but luckily you could lower down the brightness if you want. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go ahead and set them up and install them where I really want to install these. And I'll be back with the second half of the video to show you guys where I actually decided to put them. Remember, you can actually put them on any surface where you can actually stick 3M, and they are also waterproof as well. So you can put them outside if you want, because they are waterproof. I don't know if this is actually waterproof. I know the strip lights are actually waterproof, but I don't know about this, because this has a microphone right there that's actually listening. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stick them where I really want to put them. And then we'll be back with the second half of the video. Well, guys, so here we are back again after installing the Music Sync LED strip. Like you see here on the video, I decided to go ahead and put it right behind my desk where I usually do my work. And it was very, very easy to install. All you got to do is make sure you find the proper size you're going to do. I actually use around 4 foot long of strip. Then make sure you cut the strips, and when you cut the strips, make sure you use any scissors, but make sure you cut right through these bronze connections right there. Just make sure you cut through those, because if you cut in the middle between these two LEDs, you're gonna damage that right there. So basically what's left is just stick the strip right behind the desk or behind the TV or monitor, wherever you want to stick them to. I actually did not have to use this. Right now, if I want, I can actually peel this off and stick this to the surface, whatever surface I want to, but I actually didn't use this. I did use the 4 clips that came with the package, and that's it. That's the only thing I actually got to do, because it wasn't that long. Those 4 clips was actually perfect for the installation, and that's it. So after that, you're ready. Just put everything back together. Right now, this right here doesn't really work at all, because I already check the end of this strip and it's basically just cut just like that. So there's no other connection. So it kind of sucks that you have to actually throw this away. I don't think there's a way to actually reuse this. If there is a way to use this, just leave it in the comments. That way we can actually know how to reuse these LED strips. But kind of sucks that, you know, after you cut it, you know, whatever, you got to make sure that you got the proper size, because after you cut it, there's no reconnecting again. And after you cut that, there's no reconnecting again. And of course, once you have it, like see here with the controls, I can actually change the colors right now. If I want to change to green, like see there, I could change to blue, I could change to red, I could use any modes whatsoever. And like you can see here on the video, I actually used it to play video games as well with the Music Sync LED mode on. And it actually works pretty damn good. Like you see here on the video, I'm playing Fortnite. So basically the LED strips are actually reacting to whatever noise is coming from the video game. So if you're shooting, you're gonna see the lights going off very crazy. If you're blowing stuff up, it's gonna go even more crazy. If there's like a soundtrack music going on in the background, it's also gonna, you know, light up and all that. So that's pretty cool. I also tested with playing Crackdown 3 on my PC. and it also worked pretty damn good. Like you see here on the video, when I'm running around, you can see some noise. When I'm reloading and when I'm shooting, you can see the lights going off and all that, and it actually looks pretty damn cool. I actually thought it was not gonna work, but these microphone is actually really sensitive, so whatever noise it receives, it actually reacts to the noise. So that's really cool. I'm gonna leave links in my descriptions just in case you are interested. Remember, I received these for free so I can try it out and make a video for you guys. But I gotta say, I am really impressed. They are cheap, you know, only around $17 or $18 for this size, which is only 2 meters. But like you see here on the video, if you want to put it like under the cabinets of the kitchen or under or behind a big TV, you might want to get more than 2 meters. So, but other than that, guys, I'm gonna leave links in my descriptions just in case you are interested in getting one of these music sync LEDs. I already played a couple video games, music as well. The lights and the music sync up really damn good, and it actually looks pretty cool, especially when you're playing in the dark or a really low lit room. Looks really damn good. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about these music sync LED strips. Have you tried them before? Let me know in the comments. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.